Nucleus has a double-layered covering called nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane has pores which allow the transfer of material from inside the nucleus to its outside, that is, to the cytoplasm. Entangled mass of thread-like structures visible is chromatin material and nucleolus at the center. Whenever the cell is about to divide, the chromatin material gets organized into rod-shaped structures called chromosomes. Chromosomes are composed of DNA and protein. DNA molecules contain the information necessary for constructing and organizing cells in the form of double helix shape with its functional segment called genes. Nucleus controls all functional activities of the cell. It is the control center of the cell for cell metabolism and cellular reproduction. Nucleus plays a central role in cellular reproduction, the process by which a single cell divides and forms two new cells. In some organisms, like bacteria, the nuclear region of the cell may be poorly defined due to the absence of a nuclear membrane. Such an undefined nuclear region containing only nucleic acids is called a nucleoid. Such organisms whose cells lack a nuclear membrane are called prokaryotes. Pro is equal to primitive or primary. Karyote is equal to karyon or nucleus. Organisms with cells having a nuclear membrane are called eukaryotes. When we look at the temporary mounds of onion peel as well as human cheek cells, we can see a large region of each cell enclosed by the cell membrane. This region takes up very little stain. It is called the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the fluid content inside the plasma membrane. It contains many specialized cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, and lysosomes. Each of these organelles performs a specific function for the cell. Note, these cell organelles are enclosed by membranes in eukaryotic cells, that is, advanced cell. Some of these organelles are visible only with an electron microscope. They are important because they carry out some very crucial functions in cells. Let us learn these organelles one by one. The endoplasmic reticulum is a large network of membrane-bound tubes and sheets. It looks like long tubules or oblong bags or vesicles. The endoplasmic reticulum membrane is similar in structure to the plasma membrane. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. RER looks rough under a microscope because it has particles called ribosomes attached to its surface. And absence of ribosomes is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is site for protein synthesis and smooth endoplasmic reticulum is a site for lipid synthesis. Using endoplasmic reticulum and some other organelles, manufactured proteins and lipids are then sent to various places in the cell depending on need. Some of these proteins and lipids help in building the cell membrane. This process is known as membrane biogenesis. Biogenesis means synthesis of substances by living organisms. Some other proteins and lipids function as enzymes and hormones. Endoplasmic reticulum is to serve as channels for the transport of materials, especially proteins, between various regions of the cytoplasm or between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. The endoplasmic reticulum also functions as a cytoplasmic framework, providing a surface for some of the biochemical activities of the cell. Cytoplasmic framework, basic structure and composition of cytoplasm. In the liver cell of vertebrates, smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays a crucial role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs.